Damn, I am out of like a lot of my shit. The Enforcer, lightning, I guess we'll use that for now. So I can at least collect. I'm pretty sure there's some ammo crates chilling around here somewhere. Yeah, so apparently you can actually glitch yourself in if you freaking zoom out the ship far enough. There we go, okay. I was just curious for a second, I was like, is that can I replicate that? Because if so, then holy shit.
We must find phase quartz, but I do not know how it could have survived this.
ADs when I unlock all my fancy new weapons. Especially the one that shoots the rockets, I like that one. Oh, look at that. The planet's back to normal. We did it, boys. We can go home.
Another dimension.
We saved the planet. All we have to do is smack this rock with a hammer and boom. Look at that.
We should seek out the miners.
Good job. Oh.
Facility lockdown. Oh, that cannot be good.
Let's worry about the toxic crabs first.
8 toxic crabs. Oh, there's still more. There we go. Alright, we good.
What was that?
Seismic activity, perhaps caused by the crumbling barriers between dimensions.
I was afraid you'd say that.
Safety lockdown engaged.
We need to reach the other side of that window to activate the lockdown release.
Another dimensional thing?
Yes, the instability is...
And pause.
These are still locked. The Glove of Doom actually comes in handy because that's another one that essentially freaking lets you... Cold stat, what do I use that one for? I think that one freezes. I'll buy that. Upgrade. But yeah, the other one is kind of nice because it's kind of like that... What was it called? Oh yeah, I got 2 weapon wheels now. It's kind of like Mr. Fungi in a way, but except it puts out a bunch of these little murderous little robots. You kind of do your bidding, and also it comes in handy when you got a lot of enemies because you can have them essentially just freaking, you know, go at all the enemies while you're blasting them. Let's see here. Lightning rod I've been doing a bit. This one increases the stun duration. That's nice. Mr. Fungi definitely needs some upgrades. See whichever targets becomes more likely to target him back. Draws aggro. I like it. Increase how many times Fungi can fire. Alright. Faster. Alright. Shatter bombs are nice. Let's go ahead. Oh, I actually need 2. Where's our blast pistol? Definitely like to use this one.
You're gonna love that upgrade.
Bolt snap. I'll go ahead and upgrade a few parts on you. See frozen enemies drop more bolts. Fuck yeah. More currency is good currency. Enemies encased in ice take additional damage. Oh fuck yeah. Alright, Negaton Collider.
You picked that one up already.
Beam vaporizes enemy projectiles. That's pretty fucking nice, not gonna lie. Okay, I got 8 more. Who else do I want to upgrade?
That is a
Increase the maximum number of enemies that can be electrified. Shatter bomb. We'll do a few more upgrades on that. Forgot I collected a bunch of these freaking crystals.
Okay,
Alright.
where were we? Right.
Yes, the instability is
Oh, yeah.
worsening. Probably why mining operations are offline.
Haven't you punished me enough? You stupid universe! No job, no phase quartz, no whole planet. What else do you want, huh? My mind? Fine, take it!
If it helps, I just found out there's another dimension where Blees are still intact.
Still intact. How do you... Of course! The Blizon! If the planet hasn't been destroyed yet.
Alright.
Who was that? Do you know what she was talking about?
She must be a survivor of whatever happened here.
Alright, we need another Blizon crystal.
I guess we'll go about finding that, or probably it's gonna be that. I think that one over there. Handy dandy magnet boots. Here, I'll test out the cold snap once some enemies show up. Actually, let's switch. Let's see here. A lot of these boxes, but I kind of... That works out. There, I don't want to waste too much ammo on them, but... Boom. Oh. There we go.
Combat located. Engaging.
Oh, come on!
Well, I guess I can test out our cold snap.
Condensation building.
The enforcer.
Boys is red, troopers.
I should upgrade the shot of this one. So,
Got him. So how are we gonna get the phase quartz?
We should speak to a miner or engineer in the intact dimension.
I need to find them. They need to know.
She's broadcasting to anyone who will listen.
We can look into it after we obtain the phase quartz.
all right. And with the snap of my finger, everything's fixed. Look at that.
Affected by unstable rifts
Would you just look at
Please
that?
do not panic and form a single file line at all food zones.
That.
Perhaps we can reset the lock.
Aha! Got it!
Lockdown reset. Thank you, and have a safe rule following.
Safe rule following day.
Seismic activity has destroyed the bridge.
Guess we're going the long way around.
Does sound like there we go.
Across the lava, a mining platform.
Wait, why do they sound like enemies? I'm like
Lava pup boys are kinda cute when they're not trying to gnaw your ankles.
Which is never.
Oh, that sounded weird as fuck. Okay, so I heard like a beep coming from the controller when I basically destroyed them. But I was like, is that just a really high vibration, or is that just... What was it? Out of curiosity. Do I even have the sound on this friggin... I just had to check. Okay, so speaker volume is actually down. I don't know, it's just a weird sound and vibration, I guess, because I was like, what the fuck? Why does it sound like that? Blast pistol.
Nicely handled.
Thank
Now
you.
we should get up to the ridge.
guesses on who that person was in my dimension? The stranger?
I encountered no one like that in my dimensions, Blizzar.
Ooh,
So shiny.
golden one. Yeah, these are kind of hidden throughout the levels. I, for whatever reason, just happened to stumble upon this by accident because I went a complete opposite way. Well, I guess that kind of works out. Ooh, hold on. That is a very large crystal. I will take that. Oh, great, they're here.
Bro, where are we? Who cares? Grab the law back!
Oh joy.
Goons for less.
Most elite division.
Okay, just spiced out. Let's see, what do this thing? That does do that weird ass like sound.
Incoming. These
Alright, anyways, let's.
crows always travel in herds.
Honestly, kind of cute. Room goons might be elite,
All right,
but not
you
as
got
elite
'em.
as us.
Okay, sorry, I was entertained by that for a second. Bridge is out, so we are going this way.
Please keep your hands and feet inside and
Uh,
avoid the insta-death lava bubbling around you.
I like that. Yeah, just try to avoid that insta-death lava, you know,
Thanks
just
for the
all
help,
around you.
Bolts. Not really used to it.
We will need a way to mine the
I
face
was like,
quartz.
please keep your hands and feet inside. I'm like, yeah,
Perhaps the
I kind of
giant
plan on
drill.
it.
Let's find someone who can point us to it.
Don't exactly feel like taking a dip in the lava, that's for sure. Oh, hey, it's that person. Oh, this is just a species, actually. Crystal for later upgrades. Uh-oh. Yep, lava hurt. Okay, let's try it again. There we go. Oh, lava hurts, Eddie. Okay.
Ah, this is the mining hub. Perhaps someone here can direct us to the drill. The chief engineer's survey station should be nearby.
You are just full of fun facts, huh?
Indeed. For example, the average miner spends 72% of their life underground.
Whoa, really?
No, but I would hate to bore you by running out of trivia.
I was like, what the fuck? I was like, really? I was like, no, not
Individuals
really.
appear as confused as
But it
we
sounded
are.
legit, didn't it?
Earthquakes, lockdowns, interdimensional rifts.
And just
Can't really
destroy
blame
their
'em.
freaking cars.
We need that drill. We should hurry. Whatever happened to Blizzar in my dimension, this one could be
Yeah,
next.
no more crystals for you, fuckers. Ugh. Oh, I'm just here to fucking ruin your day. Now what the hell are you guys gonna do, huh? Okay, anyways. Fucking. I'm gonna rile them up. They don't even freaking flinch. Fucking dare you. Here I am trying to ruin your day. You won't even give me the time of day. Let's see. Alright, let's... I don't think we got anything new unlocked yet, but... Excuse me, ma'am?
All sales are final, honey.
I have not unlocked these, so I'm just going to continue saving. This is the refill. Not bad, actually.
I believe we are close to the survey station. The decorations here are slightly more colorful than in my dimension.
Bolts, focus.
Oh, sorry.
You looking for the chief engineer? Use that safety lift to get to the site.
Thanks.
The dimensional damage seems to be getting worse.
Huh.
Kind of pretty. In a deadly, terrifying way.
Yeah, you know, dimensions crashing kind of way, but yeah, it's kind of pretty. It looks like we got some more crystals over there.
There. That must be the chief engineer. Hello?
Do you hear that?
No.
Voices. Haven't been hearing them for too long. Wherever the purple is, they are too. First the Quakes and the Blizon. Now this.
I don't hear anything. Except someone asking if you'll be drilling for face quartz soon.
Not until I determine what's going on. For all we know, this whole drill site is haunted. That's why I
In other
sent my
words, she's just a
science
little
bots
crazy.
out to scan the purple.
And?
I have to pick them up. And I know it's safe.
Alright, so I guess we're...
I'll find the bots and bring them back here safe and sound.
These bots have intercepted a message from your dimension. Perhaps it is from that person we encountered.
Hopefully they can help us figure out what happened there.
That could actually be. No, maybe she's not crazy and she actually is hearing voices. But the voices are just from our dimension and, you know, not hers. That would make sense now. Never mind. I'm sorry. I judged too quickly. I think we're going to need to go on that. Oh. Not to want to fall into the lava. Lava bad. Alright.
I'm sorry you and Ratchet were separated.
Oh,
1, 2, 3.
I should have foreseen something going wrong. The Dimensionator was too powerful to show off in public.
Yeah. Quite honestly, what the fuck? Where did I just go? This is probably not the right way. Oh wait, hold on. I see explodey barrels. That means we go this way. Oh, look, another crystal, boys. 1, a 2, and a 3. Oh, hey. Oh, fuck yeah, dude. Those shoes. Shoes are fucking fire, my man. Look at this shit. Look at that shit. Boom. What's up? Eesh. Let me see. I got that armor piece. Yeah, it's not so, I don't know. Kinda, sorta. I don't know if I'm filling the chest piece. Hold on, let me switch that back. Can I take that off, or is it just kinda on? Oh yeah, there we go. I don't know, for some reason I kinda just... There we go. Alright, I don't know. For some reason I like her original style. I just haven't collected all of them to find, you know, which ones I like the best, but... See, the Ratchet I'm fine customizing, because this actually looks pretty cool. Is this where we just came from? Okay, no, I actually needed to be up there. Let's see. Hey, look, the barrels came back. I mean, those Exploding blocks came back. This is where I needed to be. Stuff down there. Up here, she'll show just like 1 meter. Is there another spot I'm supposed to go off to? Doesn't look like it. Okay. Up here. Yeah, I was just supposed to collect stuff over there. Hold on. Let's try going back over here and see if we have other stuff to actually explore, which we probably do. Probably just like a little bonus area to grab some items.
Testing comms. The bots would have followed the paths marked by the survey rods. I'm sure they're listening in on the purple.
The tremors are increasing in frequency and size.
I'm not gonna blame anybody for
Safety
thinking
first.
she's,
Try
you know,
not
crazy.
to trip, slip, or break anything.
Is it too much to ask that we be able to find phase cords without dodging earthquakes and lava?
Oh. There we go. Okay. That one, go down. Go.
There! One of my bots is up there! It's... Sweet Bob.
Try to use that new ice weapon just so I can level it up just a little bit.
Greetings. We are in the greatest of dangers.
Nice.
Be quick. Okay.
Like, alright, well, I guess we're trusting this freaking robot.
Oh no.
Ah. Hold on. Okay.
Hurry.
I was about to jump. I'm like, wait, I gotta time this. Oh, okay. So I'll smack that.
A decent connection. I need to warn you about it. Very dangerous.
That could describe almost anything on this planet.
Indeed, we should be cautious.
Okay, now we're good.
I am overheating. If only I could sweat. I must
All right.
breathe.
I'll ping her so she comes back to me. Looks like she picked up an audio file. I'll start cleaning it up. There's an old research lab ahead. If I know Jim, that's where he'd head first.
Jim? Oh, right. Another bot.
Oh god, robot dogs.
Wouldn't give up yet? It'd be great if you did.
Alright. I'm gonna go ahead. No, wait. There we go. Oh, okay.
Whoa, that was close. Behind the safety glass.
See, for a reason. I want to go out on a limb here and say this is probably where I need to go next.
Stop and listen. He's damaged. He will destroy. You don't need it that badly!
Makes as much sense as anything.
Here's the next crystal we're probably gonna need. Oh wait, hold on. I can jump through that window. Alright.
Identified.
Oh hey, there's that robot.
Hello. Are you my new best friend?
Yes.
No. You should head back to the chief engineer.
Friendship request denied. Sad noises. Returning to chief engineer.
Sad noises.
Aw. Stop fussing, Jim. Hopefully he picked up interdimensional messages and didn't get distracted trying to find friends.
Identified. Hostile entity. Hello. Are you my new best friend?
Hostile enemy. Hello. Are you my best friend? That's where that one exploded. Already been over here.
You see something over there? Must have gone. That's not a bird. That's Wombat.
Yep, still me. Zero, none. Rose. I've lost count.
Right, so
Are you always suspicious that anyone you meet works for Emperor Nefarious?
Pretty much everyone I meet does work for Emperor Nefarious.
Ah, a fair point.
he was like, oh shit, you right. Game definitely would not be for people who get motion sickness easily. Go.
Real platforms. Well, defunct ones.
Oh, what the
$1,000,000%
fuck
sure.
is that?
Rifts opened over here. You'll definitely find the box.
Okay.
Yeah, well, that
I
was
see the
fun.
bot over on that platform on the right, past the broken bridge.
There must be a way to reach it.
Let's see. I want to check out what this is over here. Press square. I'm pressing square. There it goes.
Oh, the crane moved the crystal.
This may bring us one step closer to reaching the bot.
Right, so now we should just have to go over here. Oh, I see. I see.
Yeehaw! What are y'all doing here? You're chief engineer with important message.
Oh, Sam, always trying to find herself. One step closer to figuring out this message. That's all of them.
Alright.
Thanks. Come back to my survey station. Let's see what the little
Did it.
bots picked up
We
from
got 'em all.
the other side.
Hey. Oh. Okay, for I don't know, for whatever reason I totally did not notice that there was actually a platform to walk on right there. And in my mind I was like, oh, I could just walk on the tightrope. That should work, right? There we go. Now we go. This is the way.
Proximity warning. Hazardous life forms detected.
What? Where?
Facility security lockdown engaged.
Don't worry.
Alright, that sounds
I
fine.
designed the security system myself. Except that motion trackers are staying there inside the house.
I don't like those dimension shattering.
Really? I always forget to look up. What the heck is that?
Oh, joy.
Location unknown. Life forms unknown. Protocol destroy.
A gift from my dimension to yours. Now I'm gonna reduce it to scrap metal.
That is about to hit me. Oh, that one got you out. Let me see here. Later.
How am I supposed to unlock the tape? These sticks keep crashing my mind.
Death from above.
Oh, here we go. We'll just use this.
My favorite. Do not appreciate this, tiny Lomax.
Oh dear, we are alarmingly outnumbered here.
Yeah, you think?
Enjoy this deadly laser, rebel.
Oh, wait, hold on. I got grenades.
To avoid hits like that.
The Emperor will hear of this.
Let's see. Let's do another one of these. $13. There we go. Oh, now. Oh, wait. For some reason I was looking at those like, oh, now the security bots show up. I'm like, wait, those are still enemies. Go ahead and collect all my money.
It's gonna take a little longer to decode this message, but you guys can use the drill. Jim will take you there.
Alright, which way, Jim? Also, who is Jim? That one's still there. Maybe this way? I thought this is the way we went. No, wait, there's actually crystals over here. Kind of where I went the first time. So, it actually told me who the hell, which one of the robots was Jim. And so how he's gonna get me there? Oh wait, is this Jim over here?
Hello, are you my new best friend?
Yes.
Sure.
Happy noises. I will take you to our phase
Okay,
extracting
so
drill
we are
in the
following you.
name
You
of
are Jim.
friendship.
Like that. You my friend? Sure. Happy noises.
That dimensional anomaly is identical to the one we saw on Sargasso.
Good. That means you can deal with it.
As your best friend, I must warn you that dimensional integrity could have affected the drill.
What's that mean?